if you live in Nebraska, Iowa, Wisconsin, you got a Slate versus Sioux River tomorrow. Alright everyone, so we can see we got Slate versus Sioux River in Nebraska, Kansas, Iowa, Wisconsin, the margin versus Minnesota, Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, a little of Ohio, Michigan, and Wisconsin, we can see. Then we got our tornado risk for tomorrow, we can see. We got 2% tornado risk in Nebraska, we can see. Alright everyone, so we got our wind risk for tomorrow, we can see. We got those black lines, so that means we can see we have damaging winds in Nebraska, more in Iowa and Kansas, and we got 15% wind risk for Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, 5% wind risk for Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Nebraska, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Then we got our hail risk tomorrow. We can see we got black dotted lines again. We have potential for large hail. We can see in Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas. Then we got a 5% hail risk for Minnesota, Wisconsin, even a little Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas. We can see also. Alright, this is our radar projections, but this can change. This looks like Friday around 6 p.m. Looks like we have storms maybe potentially in Kansas, Oklahoma. We can see maybe South and North Dakota. Then we can see 7 p.m. Looks like we get some storms in Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, North and South Dakota. We can see. Then we got 8 p.m. Looks like we're starting to have a storm form in Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, North and South Dakota. We can have storms in Oklahoma. Then 9 p.m. we can see we got storms in Nebraska, Iowa. We can see maybe a storm down in New Mexico and Texas. Then 11 p.m. we can see we have a storm line in Iowa. We can see Illinois. Looks like Indiana. Maybe we got some storms also. Then we got midnight. It looks like we got storms in Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Illinois, potentially in Indiana. Alright, we can see this is around 2 a.m. everyone, 1, 2 in the morning. Looks like our storms start to go down a lot of energy. We can see in Iowa too, Illinois too. But thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something new guys today. See you guys in the next one.